welcome back to our channel, guys. Umbrella and all on our hands with a bad thunderstorm, typical Florida. We happen to be here at Hollywood Studios. So here in Disney Hollywood Studio, we heard that there are new treats around this park and we want to try them. Why wouldn't we, right?
It's new treats.
New treats, family that likes eating, why not? So I think the three new treats came for Pride Month. So Disney has been celebrating Pride Month. There's also a new coffee at Galaxy's Edge, new to us here in Hollywood Studios, not so much new in California. And who knows, there may be, I think, one shake. We'll see what time allows us to try. But definitely we're gonna be eating some treats, and you guys know how much we love showing you those treats. But anyway, if you happen to be brand new around here, hi, welcome to Cool Case Adventures, where our main mission is to help you have fun when you come here to Disney, Universal, or any other theme park. With that said, consider becoming part of this family by simply
Subscribing.
and also
By smashing that like button.
if we're sharing any valuable content with you. Family, are you guys ready?
Yes.
You want some sweet?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go.
But wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, without getting wet. Hit it!
I could show you how to defeat the
Oh boy, the summer is in full swing here in Florida. Afternoon thunderstorm and all that. Just be ready. Always bring a poncho, or if you're like me, an umbrella. Anyways, we're on Sunset Boulevard and we're gonna head to find our first treat, which I believe is a cheesecake. All right, so the first location you're gonna be able to find something will be an All-American Cafe, Rose's All-American Cafe. And it will be the cheesecake, right?
The cheesecake.
You look like a creepy doll though doing that.
Creepy doll,
Anyways,
people.
this is the cheesecake that we were talking about, celebrating Pride Month, and what it is.
It is a vanilla cupcake filled with rainbow sprinkles and berry marmalade, topped with a red berry buttercream and garnished with rainbow sprinkles, rainbow glitter, and Mickey Pride ears.
All I can tell
All
you,
for $5.99.
all I can tell you is that this thing looks beautiful. I do like cheesecake, and I cannot wait to try. So I want to show you guys really quick how it looks inside. Kyla is right there trying the ear. Kaleo is trying some the ear.
It's white chocolate.
Yeah, we know it's white chocolate. How?
Oh, well.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Just tastes like regular white
Yeah.
chocolate? Okay. Kaleo, well, you know what? I appreciate that, kids, because
You're welcome.
appreciate your honesty. Anyway, what was the ear?
White chocolate.
Oh, okay. Thank
Typical.
you. Thank you, Karen, trying the cheesecake.
I can taste the sprinkles there.
Sprinkle. What?
Oh, that's pretty strong.
That flavor, right?
Yeah.
But it's really good, though.
It's good though. It's
You like it?
yes.
Oh, okay. I mean,
It's kind of tart though.
it's really,
It's tart.
it's actually really good, though. So would you recommend it then?
Yes.
Dang.
Yes.
Just 100%.
I heard.
There you go.
Again, it's supposed to be a cupcake.
I don't know
It's
what
a
it
vanilla cupcake filled with rainbow sprinkles. So maybe it's not a sugar.
is. Not a
It's supposed
sugar
to be
cookie? Oh, like a cupcake. Okay.
But it's good. I can taste like the sprinkles. Like,
Okay. Regardless, it still tastes delicious. So, anyways, you should try it. This was $5 something you said? $5.99. Try it. You won't regret it. You will not regret it. It's really, really good. Try it. First situation resolved.
first one down,
Now where are we heading?
ABC commissary.
Okay. What are we gonna find in there?
We are gonna find a cupcake there.
A cupcake. Okay. Which I've never been a fan of the cupcakes in ABC.
I don't think we've ever been a fan of the desserts at ABC. They're never like wow ones. They're
Yeah.
like okay, but they're not wow.
Or cupcakes overall in Disney.
Cupcakes are
Oh, there you go.
technical difficulties here.
Bucky's is going wild on us. But anyway, cupcakes overall in Disney, they tend to be super sugary. So let's see how is this one. Oh, thank you. So Karen mobile order that. So we actually decided to order the Pride cupcake. So that's what we're gonna try out now. All right, so here we go. This is the situation that we're about to control soon. So, talk to us about the Pride
This is
cupcake.
the Pride cupcake. It is with berry white chocolate cheesecake with a rainbow sparkle, graham cracker cookie, glazed with a red white chocolate shimmer mirror glaze, and topped with a Mickey Pride-ish.
All I gotta
$5.99.
All I gotta say, what's up with
More cheesecake.
the cheesecake? I mean, I'm not complaining. I love cheesecake.
Are you gonna complain?
I'm not. But anyway, sorry about the lighting. This is not basically the best lighting here. If you've never been in this restaurant, you go from like extremely bright to like extremely dark over there. And Karen wasn't playing games. She was like, okay, you guys are gonna be on your cell phone? I'm trying it. Ooh, look at that. That looks neat. Man, I hate these lighting. I'm sorry, guys.
I said let's go outside. He didn't listen.
I know, hold on. Look at that. That looks interesting. Go ahead, Karen. Duo's the owner. Duo's the owner. What happened?
This is really good.
It's really good?
Yes.
So, are you trying to say that for the first time ever you have found a cupcake that you really, really like here in Disney?
Yes. It looks extremely sweet, but it's not.
Oh,
The icing is really good. It's not that sweet, and it's very like nice and fluffy. It is really good. It's not
wow.
dried. It's really good.
Now
Y'all
I'm
should try
intrigued.
this.
Now I'm intrigued.
The moment of truth. Do you think Carlos is gonna like it?
No.
You say no?
Wait a second. I'm gonna try a little bit of it.
Oh boy.
Oh,
He's doing like little kids.
It's gonna try the paper too.
That is good.
that is actually good.
Yeah.
You're not lying. I don't think I need all this frosting.
But it's not bad. It's not as sweet as the other
It's
frosting.
not as sweet, but I don't think I need it. You know, I'll be fine with just a little bit. What happened over there?
What are you doing?
Oh no.
You don't know. Uh-oh.
He's like moving the sugar.
Uh-oh. We may have a 2 against 1 now, guys. Sweet Tooth Kalel is not convinced. He's not impressed. What do you say?
It's okay.
Whoa. Whoa. Now, it comes to one person now. Trying it now is Kyla. Let's see. Oh my God. Do we have a decision over here?
Yes.
What do you say? Because you, hold on. You have said before, the cupcakes over here are very sugary too, right? As a matter of fact, the other day, you didn't even like a dessert in Disney because it was way too sugary, right? That was the H2O after our event. I'll tag it somewhere in there, so make sure you watch it. So what do you think about that one?
I think this would be good without like a lot of frosting. A little bit would be good, but
And it's really good.
yeah.
3 against 1, the majority rules. So in this case, definitely buy it.
We're in the search for coffee.
I need coffee, people. Coffee, and there's a brand new coffee that came out in Galaxy Sesh here in Florida, but it's been for a little while now in California. Rumor has it is delicious. I want to try it.
I want to try it. It looks
I need
delicious.
some coffee, and all I could tell you right now, up to this point, if we're sharing anything with you right now, smash that like button, guys, because we're just dropping nothing but fire. Exactly, and continuing the Pride celebration, you will be able to find things like this around the parks. It's pretty neat, though. That's pretty
cool,
cool.
yeah.
I do like how Disney celebrate different cultures, you know, everything. I love that about Disney. So
We love love.
love is love, my friends. But I tell you what, I'm glad that they're celebrating something because so far those treats have been amazing. So I had an excuse to come over here and celebrate and try them out. So anyways, we're gonna go for coffee. Not part of the Pride celebration. However, it's brand new over
Part of
here.
my celebration.
We're gonna celebrate with coffee, and then we're gonna take you to the last treat that we have as part of Pride celebration. Now, to buy some coffee, we will have to head to what I usually call it, jokingly behind the scenes, the concession stand here in Batu. You know, where they sell the popcorn.
Yum.
And it does look like a concession stand, but hey,
It does.
I'm sure I'm gonna get hate for calling it that, but
Not what it's called.
I know. But that we're heading there, right there, right there. This is what I mean by the concession stand here, over here at Batu. But you could find the Outpost popcorn mix, the butter blue grains, and this is it, guys. For $5.49, you can get your cold brew black cap or the spiked cold brew black cap. You know me well. You bet your bottom dollar I'm going for this one. Karen can try that one. And if you need actual pictures, this is what we're talking about with the popcorn, the cold brew, and the spiked cold brew right over here. Contains alcohol right over there. This is looking delicious. And that's, what is it, Cocoa Puff?
Cocoa Puff, yeah. Can't go wrong with Cocoa Puff.
Can't go wrong with Cocoa Puff.
Woo,
Whoa,
that is strong.
is it? Are you sure you didn't get my spiked one?
No, like strong coffee.
Oh, like strong coffee.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah.
Not strong spike.
Let
me see.
Try the spike. Try the spike. Try the spike. Try the spike. Oh, we got a winner. We got a winner, people.
That's pretty
We
good.
got a winner. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna
That's
try.
pretty good. Non-spike. That is rich, strong coffee.
That is rich. What I think it has to happen. What I see people doing, they grab a spoon and they stir it.
Stir it.
But most importantly, try it.
That is good. Salud.
Best item here, hands down. From this point forward, this coffee,
It's the way.
this is the way here to Batu. But one thing I want to share with you is that you remember a few weeks ago when I shared the behind this thing was the new game for what was it, the Magic Band Plus?
Magic Man Plus.
Well, Disney's not doing such a great job covering it, but you can see over there, there's some kind of panel board over there. As you can see, it's kind of hard. I don't want to like, jump over the fence or something like that. But just know that that has been designed so you could actually do that game for the Magic Band Plus. That is soon to come, sometime this summer. And all of a sudden here in Batu is where I just lost my drink. Karen, what you were saying about that drink, the spiked one?
It's good.
Better than the normal one? But it doesn't, honestly, it doesn't taste very strong. It's
No,
not.
it's not strong at all. The regular one, without the alcohol, it's strong. Like it's strong cold brew. But this one's nice and
Right.
chill.
And you could barely taste the
I know,
alcohol.
you can, there's a hint of it.
So here we are at Woody Lunchbox where they're having another Pride dessert. Yeah, it's like a Pop-Tart. You know how they normally have the different tarts in here? But this one is celebrating Pride. Now, the only problem is that it gave us a return time of 8:10, and that's like half an hour from now. So one thing that you could do is just tell a cast member, and they actually expedite it for you. So that's what Karen is doing. She's talking to a cast member right now, and they already brought her to the front. Pro tip: if you're here and you want an item like dessert or drink expedite, always come to the cast member. That may be able to help you with that. Karen, that quick?
That's quick.
Dang. So in less than 3 minutes, Karen spoke to the cast member, and bang, bada bing, bada boom.
I call this one.
There you go. Wow, that looks very, very fancy over there
And delicious.
and delicious. Now, you guys normally happen to be fan of their tart over here. I normally can care less about them, but I hope that this one is good. Do you know what this one has inside?
This is a guava-filled pastry coated in purple vanilla fondant and topped with rainbow sprinkles, sour rainbow candy, and blue chocolate Mickey.
Well, you know what, Karen? I've been complaining about the desserts all day today, meaning that I didn't like them before. And today, every single dessert had changed my mind.
Today might be the day.
Today might be the day. So that reaction wasn't.
I didn't even touch the guava part.
Oh, okay, just keep biting so I could try the middle part. Although, again, you like every single tart that we have tried. So.
I do, but I'm not a guava fan,
Uh-huh.
so this is not my favorite. I like the peanut butter and banana one better.
You did?
Yeah.
All right, let me try some. Because
I like-
I do like guava.
I
though.
like the popcorn.
I do like guava, so let me try some. Out of all the tarts that I try here, this one is my favorite. However, it's not like I will go crazy for it either.
No.
I already tried it. I don't have to try it again. I hope I'm making sense, you know?
Yeah.
If you're and it's super
It's
sugary.
good.
Super sugary too. So if you're a person that enjoys Pop Tart per se and you like guava, then go for it.
You
It's-
gotta like guava.
And it's a shareable item too.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Way too much sugar.
Any kind of tart is a shareable.
You like it?
Guava.
I mean, I didn't like the guava part, but the tart itself is amazing.
Okay. Guava or no guava? That is the
Guava.
question. With guava?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You know what I think?
What do you
I
think?
With peanut butter.
Okay.
Ew.
So now we're 50-50 people. So now you don't have other choice but to come over here and try it.
Well, if you're a guava person, definitely get it.
Yeah, but you know, I'm trying to help them out so people can watch these videos and say, you know what, the entire family liked it. We may like it. Now we have a 50-50.
50-50.
You make run a 50-50 in your family. Just saying. Or unless you don't like guava and then you try it and like all of you will say 100% it wasn't good.
Oh, no, we're back.
Alrighty, guys, today you have it here from Hollywood Studios. How was your day today in Disney Hollywood Studios?
It was super cool. The desserts looked very good and they taste very good. It was super good.
Alright, Kaleo?
It was alright.
It was alright. Okay,
really-
next
I
time you're
really-
staying.
I don't really liked all the desserts.
Which one do you like?
I think they were all really good. The guava one's okay for my taste because I don't like guava, but it was a nice night. Nice.
Cheesecake.
Weather's really good. It was great.
I like the cheesecake.
The
Wow.
cheesecake, which one? The first one or the cupcake?
The first one.
The first one. Alright, there you go, guys.
Those real people.
I guess so. Anyways, it was super good. I love every single dessert. I guess that the one that I liked the least was the guava one. Definitely the spiked coffee is the way to go. That is not one of the new desserts like I mentioned. Hopefully it stays here for a while. But I'll be honest with you, every time that I come to Batu, I must get that spiked coffee. It is delicious, so I highly recommend you to get it. But anyway, sadly this adventure has ended. We'll see you in the next adventure, guys. Bye-bye.